PELvic THrusTiNG KItTeN, we find our hero about to begin his training with his master, King froguums.
What's this building here? Wow! I guess I better go in and find out. That's me opening the door. Hello? Hello?
Hello, my son.
Who are you?
I, my son, am froguums.
Froguums?
My son, you are the first person to come into my establishment.
Really?
And now that you are here, I'm going to tell you about the evil that is lurking right under your own nose.
Wow. What evil would that be?
Come with me, my son. I have something to show you. This is the big book of evil. As you notice, here we have Carl's birthday invitation. It was a very good party. I had lots of fun. But if you look closer, just like on that movie, The Da Vinci Code, you look deep within the lines. I'm getting so sick of talking like this. But if you look deep within the lines, you'll see what it really says.
I see what it's trying to say. I'm the chosen one.
Exactly! And because you are the chosen one, you must train under me with the mighty PELvic THrusTiNG power!
How do you do a PELvic THrusTiNG power?
No, it's not a PELvic THrusTiNG power, it's a PELvic THrusTiNG power!
A PELvic THrusTiNG
power! Good. Now, come with me.
What was that?
That, my son, was the magic of the PELvic THrusTiNG.
You have to teach me so that I can save the world.
Alright, but this is going to be a gruesome, very, very bad training.
Bum, bum, bum. It's PELvic THrusTiNG KItTeN. That's me. Bum, bum, bum.
For those of you that can't read this because it might be, you know, a bit small on screen, after many years of training,
Turn page.
and stuff,
Turn page.
like eating food, holy shit, it's blank. Well, the PELvic THrusTiNG KItTeN has trained. I gotta go, cause, like, I got a frat party to get to, and there's a kegger waiting with my name on it. Fuck Sakura! I got shit to do. People don't expect cheer- Oh, sorry, this isn't my movie. We'll see you guys. Fuck you all! I see you on the flip side, sons of bitches! You did great on your training, my son! Grasshopper!
Okay. Yeah, so, I did good on my training, right?
Yes, you did! The sun is going down! That means it is time for you to set foot on your journey.
I haven't exactly learned what it is I'm fighting against.
God damn it! I didn't say for you to learn what you're fighting against! Just go out and fight!
How am I supposed to know what it is I'm fighting against? Who the evil is, if I don't know?
Well, my son, when the evil is afoot, you only know.
That's the beauty of your knowledge, Sensei. Thank you. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have evil to stop.
He's PELvic THrusTiNG KItTeN. He's on his way to save the day. He's gonna destroy you if you're evil. He's PELvic THrusTiNG KItTeN.
Wow, I've been walking for quite some time. Good thing I haven't met up with any kind of evildoers. Ah! Oh no, that sounded like it came from a nearby town! Like a lady is standing in a bank and she's getting robbed! What should I do? A, help her out. B, call the cops. C, run away. Or D, take a test. Can I plead the fifth? Ah! I have to help! He's PELvic THrusTiNG KItTeN! He's on his way to save the day! Ah! 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 Aren't you a boy?
No. My name is Diane.
Okay, Diane. What seems to be the problem, man?
Some guy stole my purse. I need you to get it back for me, random bystander.
This looks like a job for the
PELvic THrusTiNG KItTeN!
With my newly found pelvic thrusting powers, don't you worry. I'm gonna defeat this evil and get you back your purse. Oh, thank you! You're the best!
They call me Patches. Patches the Patch. Ha 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 ha.